Welcome to our step-by-step guide on navigating the Shift portal, a comprehensive tool designed to streamline your shift management experience. In this video, we'll walk you through each feature and process, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge needed to maximize your efficiency and effectiveness. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted with the Shift display, your central hub for managing your shifts. Here, you'll find a detailed overview of your upcoming shifts, including the date, time, client name, address, shift description, and date of birth. Should you need further information about a client, simply click on About Me for additional insights. To begin your shift, click on the Sign In button. Once your shift concludes, remember to click Sign Off to officially log out. This ensures accurate tracking of your work hours. Need to add notes for a particular shift? Navigate to Shift Notes to document important details or observations. Clear and concise notes help maintain transparency and communication within the team. If instructed to upload documents based on the shift, you can do so here. The Driven Kilometers feature allows you to accurately track the distance traveled during your shifts. To access, please press on Add Kilometers. Kilometers are only registered while clients are in the car and during shift times. This information is crucial for reimbursement purposes, ensuring you're fairly compensated for the kilometers you've driven. Simply click on the Kilometers button and input the distance traveled during each shift. To access the Company Documents section, navigate to the main menu and click on Company Documents. From there, you'll find folders for company documents and incident reporting. Click on the relevant folder to view the documents specific to your needs. For essential guidelines specific to abled care and nursing services, please refer to the Core Policies and Standards section. This can be found in Company Documents. This section covers protocols and best practices tailored to our services, ensuring compliance and professionalism in your role. Leave application. Learn how to apply for leave through our streamlined process, ensuring smooth communication and scheduling. An email will be sent to you and the HR team, and once your leave request is processed, you'll receive an email regarding the outcome of your request. Incident reporting. Understand the procedure for reporting incidents promptly and accurately, promoting transparency and accountability within our organization. Work health and safety. You'll find comprehensive guidelines on work health and safety. These policies ensure a safe working environment for all employees and outline procedures for incident reporting and compliance with regulatory standards. By familiarizing yourself with our policies and procedures, you contribute to a culture of excellence, ensuring consistent delivery of high-quality services to our clients. Congratulations! You've completed our guide to using the Shift portal effectively. By leveraging its features, you'll streamline your workflow and enhance your overall experience. Should you have any questions or require further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our HR team.